Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the COUNTIF function in Excel. In the realm of Excel statistical functions, COUNTIF reigns supreme. When you're faced with a range of cells and the task of tallying the numbers of cells that adhere to specific criteria, COUNTIF is your trusty ally. Let's dive into an example to unveil the magic of the COUNTIF function. Here we have a data table consisting of year and value columns. We also have a criteria column where we place a value of 2010, which represent the year 2010, which we shall use as our COUNTIF criteria in this tutorial. To get started, let's begin by entering the COUNTIF command. The COUNTIF function demands two parameters to work its wonders. The first parameter we will enter is the range of cells that you want to apply the criteria against. In our example, we'll input the range A2 to A7. These cells shall be tested to determine if they meet the criteria. Second parameter requires us to specify the criteria that will be applied against the range A2 to A7. This criteria can be either a value or a reference to a cell containing a value. In our example, we'll input D2, which contains the value 2010. The COUNTIF function will test each value in the range A2 to A7 to see if it matches the year 2010. Now that we have entered the two parameters, let's see what the COUNTIF function returns. You should see the value 1. This value was calculated by examining the values in cells A2 to A7 and counting only those cells that contain the value of 2010. In this particular example, only cell A3 was included in the count, hence our COUNTIF function returned the value of 1. This demonstration encapsulates a straightforward example of utilizing Excel's COUNTIF function. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.